What is going on, guys? It's your boy Nick Mac. We're here back in DUKEBOYZ garage because we got a project to do today. Fortunately, when I was out riding with Adrenaline Junkies in the last video, somehow I broke my caliper. I didn't even notice until I got home and I went to do the new rims. Look at that. So I went to do the new rims. I was taking the old ones off to take them to the shop to get tires taken off of them. Lo and behold, I pulled this one off, and I'll put a little picture of what the caliper looked like, but I put it back so I could drive around. Look, it's even moved already. So as you can see here, it broke right here. I don't know how, it just sheared, but she no bueno. So yeah, I got a new one of those right here. And if you guys want to know the price on something like this, it comes with everything. The price was $474.59 for a caliper here in Canada land. Here's the caliper. Here's a brand new caliper. So it even comes with the brake pads, which is cool. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know if I'm going to get the brakes bled or not because I have nobody here but me and I need someone to help. Yeah, let's pitter patter and get at her. Alright, so I got the wheel off, and this is how I found it when I took it off before. Found the caliper like this. I was just looking at it, and I hope the rotor isn't freaking warped. It's like it'd been like that for a bit. I'm surprised I never noticed it in the braking. But yeah, so it's this 215 mil bolts, and yeah, we'll I'm gonna put you guys on this thing of a jigger, and we'll get to changing it out. Should be pretty quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off the old caliper here, and I'm just going to put the new one on. Oh, just make sure she's in off. Yeah, she's in off. Let's hope we didn't screw anything up. So 250 mil bolts here. Crack both of them. There's one here, one down in here. Like I said, I can't believe I didn't freaking feel this. It does look like it's been like that for a bit now. I'm wondering if I did it out trail riding before and just never completely broke off. It would have sucked if it did jam up in the rim. We would have been stuck out in the trail. Oh, there's the old one. The old one out of the way. Alright, let's try to put the new one on. Slides in like that. The bolts different? No, bolts are the same. Oh, let's bring it down here. Alright, that one's in. I believe that's it. I gotta find where's the bolt hole. There we go. It's pretty easy, actually. This is what I want to see right here. If the rotor is warped or not. It torqued to a bazillion knickknacks. I think we got lucky. It's a little warped, but it's just right in there. You can kind of see the caliper walk back and forth. We got lucky. All right, so this is gonna make a mess because I'm gonna take off brake line here. Try to hold it. Yeah, right. It's gonna be impossible. That's not gonna work. Ugh. Probably gonna get a lot of hate for that one in the fucking comments. Pull out the brake line. Hopefully I don't leak all the fluid out. So there's usually 2 washers, and then we put it in the new one. Tighten it up. There we go. That should be good. So yeah, that was easy. Now we just got to open up the bleeder. We got to take the hood off and figure out which brake reservoir is which under the hood here. All right, fluid already started coming out of the nipple here. So we're gonna tighten this back up for now. That's tight now, so we don't get fluid leaking anywhere. So right now we're going to pull the front hood off here. The brake reservoirs are right there. That's where the brake reservoirs are. I got to figure out which one is what. So yeah, we'll get back at you once I figure all this out. I'm gonna put the tire back on and put it on the ground, and that we should be able to bleed the brakes then. It has to be on level ground for the fluid level, to check the fluid level. So I got the brake reservoir caps off here. I don't know if you guys can see the level there, but this one's definitely lower. So I'm thinking this is the front. So let's get to bleeding the brakes. I think I'm gonna go get my daughter to come out and give me a hand. So I'll be back with Mia. All right, so we got Mia here. Say hi, Mia.
Hello.
And we're gonna teach Mia how to pump the brakes, or help Dad bleed the brakes. So we'll get over here. You gotta get in the side by side. So little guys, if you don't know how to bleed brakes, get up, sit up there, right on the edge of the seat. Can you touch the brake pedal? Right at the edge. Yeah. Okay, right. Now pump the brakes. Yeah, okay. Can you hold it down? Push as hard as you can. All right, so what Dad's gonna do is he's gonna tell you to pump the brakes. So you pump them up and down, yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna say push, and you're gonna try to push the brake pedal to the ground. And when Dad opens the bleeder on the caliper, the brakes are gonna go to the ground, but don't let it come up until I say okay, all right? So you're gonna feel the pedal go all the way down. You gotta push it all the way down to the ground, okay? All right? All right, let's see if she can do this. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Now hold it. You're pushing as hard as you can. Okay, they're gonna go down. Do not let off, okay? Okay, so pump it, hold it. Are you holding it? Yeah. Okay, do not let it. Oh, they go all the way to the ground?
Yeah, okay.
All right, pump it, hold it, push on it as hard as you can. Okay, pump it. All right, push. All right, pump it. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so that back, this one is the front brake master cylinder. Or the brake reservoir. Okay. Let's see how good brakes are. Okay, get out of the way. Guys, gotta see if the brakes are any good. Wait. Was it going all the way to the ground? Oh, we got brake right there. We're good. We're good, kiddo. High five. Good job. And that is how you bleed brakes on a car and on a side-by-side. So thank you very much. You can go back in the house and play with your friends. All right. Love you, kiddo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So that worked, guys. We got the brakes bled, and I'm just a little worried about one thing I found. See how tortured this thing looks compared to the other one? That one looks nice and good, and this one looks tortured. So if you do have a Maverick Sport or a Maverick Trail, that is your front brake reservoir, and that is your back brake reservoir. So right now we're going to top that up with fluid, and then this brake job is done. I'm gonna clean brake stuff all off that. But yeah, this job is over. So like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to get notifications when I post videos. I just started a new Facebook page. You can go find it. It's DUKEBOYZ POWERSPORTS. I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna post when we're going on rides and where we're going on rides, and yeah, so maybe we can hang out and go for a rip together. Yeah, but that's pretty easy. Like, if I didn't tape this, I could have had that done in like 20 minutes, if that. Not even if that. Like, it was pretty straightforward. Luckily, Mia came through and was able to help me bleed the brakes and didn't let extra air in the system, so we're all good. So I guess I'll see you guys around. Take care and happy trails.